Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to remove background on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do is open the CapCut application, and here I already opened mine. And after that you just need to go click a new project, and now you just need to find out which video that you want to remove the backgrounds to. And for me, I would like to use these stock videos that provided by the CapCut to show to you the way how to remove the background. And here let me find the video first. Okay, I think I would like to go with this. And after that, you just need to click add. Now I already have this video on my project, and the things that we have to do now is just go focus on this button. You just need to click edit. In this edit, you just need to scroll into the left side the tools that appear on your screen until you found a cutout. When you already find a cutout tools, just need to click it, and after that, from these three tools, you just need to click a remove background. And this remove background, just need to wait until the process is 100% applied into your video. So the duration will be following the length of your video. The longer your video, it will be take the longer times too to applying this process. Okay, it's almost there. It's near, and yep, now the background is already removed. Don't forget to click done. And now we just need to take a look on the result, and now you can see the background is already removed. So that's all the way how to remove background on the CapCut, guys. It's so simple. So if you find out this tutorial is get you so well, I will appreciate that if you want to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.